Viewers, in this video I am going to show how to repair a broken threaded part in the grip. So this is the problem. This part has broken, and even if we just glue it simply, and it will not withstand. So we are going to find an alternate way how to make it simple. So this is Jinhao 599 fountain pen. So for this we need a lesser thickness aluminum sheet which we can cut in scissor, and we need anabond are all right. Okay, so if we use this, and then the adhesion will be good. Don't use a feviquick or something which dries quickly instantly. We will be having problem with it. Okay, fine. And for this we need to correct this improper projections, everything. And before that, uh, we need to prepare the surfaces. And I have a 100 grit emery sheet. Just by rubbing we can prepare the surface. Okay, gently rub it. Don't give pressure while rubbing, too much pressure while rubbing. Hold the pen perpendicularly so that you will get an uniform removal. Okay, now the surface has become flat. Make sure that the surface is very parallel and plain. There should be no obstacles behind this emery sheet, or else you will be having an ununiform rubbing action. Take a small knife and just deburr the edges. Since we have rubbed, metal will be projecting, so just deburr the edges. Just blow air, and now it is fully ground. And we need to do the same exercise in this broken one. Hold it gently and do the exercise. Hold exactly perpendicular to the emery sheet. So now you can see still the excess portion has to be removed. We need to have a flat surface. Gently rub so that the peaks will be removed. Each and every time just take and see whether it has gone uniformly. Don't press it, or else the plastic will break. Still a small portion has to be taken. Yeah, now it is exactly flat. Hope you can see this is very flat, and we can fix both together like this. And by keeping this, we need to check the straightness, and I can see an imperfection in this pen area, and this is not exactly perpendicular, and this is very critical because the pen, otherwise if you turn the pen and then you will have a gap one side, so it will look ugly. So we need to ensure whether this is sitting exactly perpendicular. We need to grind this one. Yeah, now this is somewhat okay. Just by holding together, I am checking the perpendicularity. Okay, now only we are going to do an important task, like we are going to attach a metal part which increases the gluing. Now I am using a zero point 0.4 mm thickness aluminum sheet, and for that I should know uh, how much uh, length of sheet I need to insert. If I take, I am using a vernier caliper. Just I am checking the depth. It is around 13 mm. Okay, and the diameter is critical, and what we can see is around 7.5 mm. So 7.5 mm is the inner diameter, and same will be here because it was there as a individual part. So 7.5 mm is the inner diameter. So if you take a calculator and use pi d formula, 3.14 into 7.5. It is 3.14 into 7.5. It is a circumference. It is 24.492. Okay, fine. Now it comes to 24.492, but I am going to keep only 22 mm. And for a depth of, how much did I measured here? It is around 14 mm. 14 mm plus this length. This is 10 mm. Okay, 25 mm. So 20 by 20 I am going to cut. I am taking a small aluminum sheet, and then just I am making a straight cut. So I need 20 by 20 mm. This is 20. And this is 20. And we need to roll this one. Use any round profile and make this shape as a round one. See, this is aluminum, be careful, otherwise it will tear the skin. See, in front of the camera it is becoming difficult for me to record the video. Just I am holding for some time. I am taking this converter as a profile. Just I am enlarging this one, and I am keeping this one, and I am pressing on the profile. Okay, like this. See, I tried with this aluminum sheet. Due to higher thickness, the converter is not going inside. So I just switched over the plan, and I have a aluminum foil container which is used to pack this biryani and all. Okay, and I have taken in the same size. I ensured the foil is fitting in the container, and I'm inserting here. Okay, first I need to fix this one, and let me do it. See, when we apply this anabond, it will be acting as a thin layer. Okay, thin layer of a glass like compound. It will form a good structure. Just I am adding equal amount of resin and hardener. Okay, and I am mixing together thoroughly. And the only thing is we need to have patience, because it will take some time to dry. It is not like instant adhesive like the cyanoacrylate. Just apply that paste on the surfaces. Yeah, just I mean, hold this one and then just remove this converter. Let it dry for some time. And even what you can do, and we can fix this one and apply some roll it here and insert this one. Please don't use cyanoacrylate like Fevikwik or something, or else you cannot remove this one. Instantly it will dry, so you will not be having some time to remove the excess adhesive. So you can remove the excess adhesive in this. So we have provided a stiffener, and now the grip is in a normal position, and once it dries and we can directly fix the converter inside here. Okay, and we have sufficient gap also, and we can fix this one and let it dry for 1 day, so we will get a perfect adhesion. So this is 5 minutes quick dry adhesive. If you see, clamp the joint for 5 minutes as Araldite clear sets. So this is 5 minutes setting time. So I have given 1 hour for setting, and now it is cured. And let us see, the converter goes inside and fits well, and we can fix the pin also. Yeah, now it is working. Yeah, it is done. So you can repair such items very simply. We do laser engraving on this pen, and this is the pen which our customer bought from us. This is Jinhao 599 fountain pen. If you have any queries, and please leave in the comments. Thanks for watching this video.